friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg, this is Vlogmas, and today we are decorating the Christmas tree. I am so excited to be adding my ornaments and all my decor to my Christmas tree. I can't wait to share it with you. So I'm going to be looking very different because I am in glam because I'm going out to dinner. But decorating this tree is going to be me in my sweatpants and my hair in a messy bun, as I am 80% of the time. So you'll have to let me know. My tree doesn't really have a theme. It's just kind of like a collection of decor that I've gathered over the last couple of years. But if you're somebody that does themes with your tree, let me know what your theme is this year. I think for next year I want to do more of like a woodsy, like holiday, like earth tones, like less glitz and glam, more like matte earth tones for my tree. So maybe after the holidays, if I see stuff on sale, I will grab it as I see it. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into decorating our tree today. Let me know what your thoughts are. What is your favorite part of decorating a tree? What is your tradition when it comes to decorating trees? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Like I said, I don't really have much of a theme here. It's a little bit mishmashed because it's like a lot of my ornaments are like cool tone and icy and blue, and then yet I have this red and green plaid tree skirt, so it's just a little bit of a hot mess. And I do have like some themed ornaments, but you'll have to let me know as a kid if you ever grew up with themed ornaments. For me, every year for Christmas, my mom would always gift me a Barbie ornament. I was obsessed with Barbies, and it got to a point where the entire tree growing up could have been all Barbie ornaments, but my mom was like, no, we got to do a little bit of everything. So we would have like the homemade ornaments, ornaments with that had like sentimental value to them, along with more traditional ornaments. But yeah, one day she is going to get my Barbie ornaments back to me. I do live across the country, so it's sitting in their basement, but I do miss the idea of a themed tree. I saw online someone did like a woodland themed tree, and because I feel like I'm more like woodsy and like earthy now that I'm getting older, entering my 30s, that's like kind of more my vibe, whereas the glitz, glam, shimmer, glitter was definitely more my vibe in my 20s. So you'll have to let me know what your vibe is down in the comments, and what is your favorite thing to decorate the tree with. I would like to do like more natural, like string together some dried up fruit and like cranberries and like popcorn, but I just know I do not have the patience for all of that. So if you do that, can you let me know, because I'm truly fascinated with Christmas tree decorations. I feel like it is something that is so personal. If you are also interested in seeing a holiday decor video, I am uploading a holiday decor haul / decorating for winter video, so be sure to check that out. Here I am totally failing at showing you my more special personalized ornaments. My camera was not wanting to focus. I think it's because like the light in the window was like in the backdrop, but I will show you close-ups of them when they're on the tree. But these are just kind of like the, you know, other than like the balls of shine and glitter matte, that's kind of like what the decor on the tree is. It's just like a set of ornaments that are blue and silver tones. Some are matte, some are shiny, some have designs on them, there's glitter. So these are my little specialized ornaments, and if you've been watching my videos for any time, you know that I say that I have Nightmare Before Christmas all over my house. So I wasn't sure if I was going to leave them as decor, and I was like, no, like they need to go on a tree and they need to be honored on the tree. So I put my little Nightmare Before Christmas decor on the trees. As you can see, my husband is the one who put the Santa hats on his whiskey cabinet. That's all him. But we have our little stockings over there because we don't really have like a mantle on our fireplace. Our fireplace is like the last DIY project in our house that we need to do ourselves
because we bought our home about a year ago and have just been doing like renovations ourselves and like not really paying to have major renovations done. So the fireplace is kind of like the last thing, because it had this hideous blue thick like mantle around it, and it was actually cinder blocks filled with concrete surrounding the entire fireplace. So we ripped it off, and we need to find like a slate, or like I want to find like some kind of like black tile for the hearth, like a black marble. So if anyone has suggestions on that, let me know, because for the backsplash of the fireplace, I actually have these really cool black shiny hexagon shapes. Now that I've went on my little rant, I'm dressing Luna up in her elf costume. I got this at Target a couple years ago. Target seems to be the only place that has stuff for bigger dogs that fits, but she loves it. And here is a nice little overview of everything.
Are you the Christmas elf? Are you the Christmas elf? So thank you so much for watching our video today. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more for Vlogmas, more Christmas fun, more holiday fun, more Yule fun. Yes. Here is the final look at the tree. I do decorate top heavy because I have a mischievous cat that had passed through quite a few times looking for some ornaments to take down, but we have lots of Oogie's boys. You can barely see Hedwig, but she's here. And then this is what my mom got for my husband one year, because obviously he's a fan of bourbon. But yes, I hope y'all enjoyed watching me decorate for my tree. Let me know what theme you have for your tree in the comments down below. I hope y'all are having a great day, and as always, thank you so much for your time and energy. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.